Yiba Kids! I'm really happy you're here. You have finished all the basics. Next videos are separated into case-by-case basis. Because it would be easy for you to be familiar to the words, like words with 2 O's, 2 E's and more. Let's start with words with 2 O's. Again, follow my yellow star wand. Let's go and start reading. Zoo. Zoo. Book. Book. Cook. Cook. Look. Look. Cool. Cool. Door. Door. Good. Good. Pool. Pool. Tool. Tool. Food. Food. Foot. Foot. Boot. Boot. Moon. Moon. Roof. Roof. Room. Room. Broom. Broom. Wood. Wood. Spoon. Spoon. School. School. This is kind of long word already, but I added it because kids can see this word all the time in many places. And they will recognize instantly that it is a school. Great job! Now you have an idea on reading words with 2 O's. It's easy, right? You can go to the next step of words with 2 vowels. Video link is in the description.